Hello everyone, this is Mitul Shah from Reliance Securities. Welcome to Market Buzz. Today we are going to discuss automobile industry based on few recent development during ongoing COVID-19 issue. We remain positive on Indian automobile industry based on four triggers. First one is various planned resumption scheduled by global automakers. Majority of the global automobile manufacturers have resumed their operations in last one and a half month in various geographies. Chinese players have already started plant in the month of February and March, and now they are indicating production level close to pre-COVID level. Moreover, Chinese automobile industry has recorded positive YoY growth in the month of April 2020 in their monthly auto sales volume. This is more encouraging. Second trigger is, following this, Indian automakers have also resumed their operations at various locations. Majority of the plant are operational, of course at lower utilization, with a higher safety precautions. But these OEMs are also indicating normalcy in next 2-3 months, with component manufacturers coming slowly back on track. Third trigger is government stimulus packages. Various government has announced various stimulus package in their respective countries. India has also came out with such a big 20 lakh crore stimulus package recently. Though there is no direct scheme for automobile industry, but various schemes like rural scheme, infra spending, focus on small scale industry, increasing credit, all these factors are going to transform into improving sentiment steadily and increasing spending, higher consumption over a period of time. So we believe that this is going to result into increasing consumption for all the items, including spending for automobile industry also. Though industry is going to face tough time for next 2-3 quarters, but fourth quarter onwards industry will start seeing improvement and higher volumes. Fourth trigger is most important, which is keeping India's long-term story intact. That is very low penetration of automobile industry and improving affordability. Indian automobile industry penetration is much lower compared to all developed countries. If we consider the example of passenger vehicles, which has a more organized data globally, penetration of passenger vehicle is close to 40 units per 1,000 people in India. Compared to this, penetration in global developed countries is close to 200 to 500 units per 1,000 people. So such a huge differential between these two penetration gives us confidence to believe on passenger vehicle for next 5 to 10 years. Therefore, we expect passenger vehicle industry to perform well over next 4-5 years, and we expect stocks of passenger vehicle and component manufacturers supplying to passenger vehicle OEMs are going to deliver decent returns over next 4-5 years. Thank you. Stay safe.